Thinking about renting out your home? Before you hand over those keys, make sure you're covered. In this video, we're going to break down the essential insurance tips you need to know to protect yourself and your property when renting out your primary residence. Homeowners insurance. If you plan to rent out part of your home, you must notify your insurance company. Most standard homeowners policies cover occasional rentals, but for more regular or long-term rentals, you might need an endorsement or rider to extend your coverage. This step is crucial to avoid any coverage issues or claim denials. Your homeowner's insurance typically covers the physical structure of your home, your personal belongings, and liability for injuries, but when renting, this coverage may be limited, so check with your insurance company. Landlord insurance. For those renting more extensively, a landlord insurance policy is essential. Landlord insurance policies provide more comprehensive coverage than a standard homeowner's policy do. It includes property damage to cover the physical structure of your rental property and any personal property you leave on site for a tenant use, like appliances or furniture. Liability protection. This provides coverage if a tenant or a guest is injured on the property and you're found legally liable. Loss of rental income. If your rental unit becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss, this coverage helps replace the lost rental income while repairs are made. Some optional add-ons. You can often add on coverage for things like vandalism, burglary, and certain natural disasters. Make sure you discuss these options with your insurer. A personal liability policy. To further safeguard your assets, consider a personal liability umbrella policy. This type of policy provides additional liability protection beyond the limits of your homeowners or landlord insurance. It's an excellent way to ensure you're covered in case of a significant liability claim. For example, if a tenant sues you for an injury and the claim exceeds your regular liability, an umbrella policy can cover the extra cost, protecting your personal assets from being used to settle the claim. Renter's insurance. Don't forget about your tenants. Encourage or even require them to have renter's insurance. This not only protects their personal belongings, but also provides them with liability coverage. It's a win-win situation for both parties. Renter's insurance covers personal property, which protects tenants' personal belongings from theft, fire, and other perils. Liability. It covers liability expense if a tenant is responsible for injury to others or damage to the landlord's property. In addition to living expenses, this pays for temporary housing if the rental unit becomes uninhabitable due to a covered event. Now, short-term rentals. If you're renting your property through platforms like Airbnb or VRBO, you might need specific short-term rental insurance or endorsements. These platforms often offer their own insurance options, but it's wise to verify your coverage with your insurer to ensure there are no gaps. Short-term insurance typically covers property damage. This protects against damage to your property by your short-term guests. And liability, it covers if a guest is injured on your property. Business income, this replaces lost income if your rental property is damaged and can't be rented out. Some local considerations. Remember that your area may have unique risks, such as severe weather events. Make sure your policy covers these events, especially if you're renting out part of your home. Consulting with your trusted insurance advisor can help you navigate these specific requirements and ensure you have the right coverage. Renting out part of your home can be a great way to earn extra income, but it's important to have the right insurance coverage to protect yourself and your property. Whether it's adjusting your homeowner's policy, getting a landlord insurance, or ensuring your tenants have renter's insurance, taking these steps will help you rent with confidence. For more information, contact one of our trusted insurance advisors today at 727-748-2886. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on protecting your home and your investments. Stay safe.